Hi everyone, welcome to my video for the backend part of my Royal Chitwan online car sale website. In this video, I'll be explaining about the backend part of my website. So for the backend part, I have used PHP and MySQL. So simply now we are just on the home page of my website. Simply you can see home, register, seller login, search card, and about us. Simply now you are wondering about like where the add card options is. So as per our assessment instructions, add card options should only be available after I successfully log in the registered users. So now without doing further delay, I just want to drag your attention to the database. So web access is the entire database from a backend part of my website. So as per the assessment, there should be two tables, one for the cars and one for the sellers. So for the cars, it should store the data of the added cars, and then for the seller table, it should store the data of the registered sellers. Let's go to the cars table. Simply you can see ID, seller ID, make, model, mileage, location, price, and offer. And then if I just drag you to the seller table, simply you can see different columns um different columns for ID, name, address, phone, email, username, and password. Simply I just write the query using the MySQL. So simply I'll show you that one as well. So you can see that ID is the primary key for the seller tables, and then for the car table we can simply see that the seller ID is the foreign key. So now without doing further delay, I'll simply show you how my backend part of my website works. Let's try to register some different user. Let's show Peter Peter Jackson, and address, let's say Donald Road, and then phone number, let's say 04536789 and then let's say email ejack23@gmail.com. And then after that, let's use it into the username jpeter, and then let's say password is pdt. And let's try to register. Acknowledgement message is on there. Registration successful. Now, after we register the user, let's see in the seller table whether the data has been stored or not. Simply we can see that Peter Jackson and all the data, and then the password is protected using the password hash. That means like it's been protected. And let's try to log in the same user. The username is pjackson. P Jackson, I think JPeter, yeah, JPeter, and then let's enter the password. The 11. Let's try to log in now. Till now, we can't see any of the options for added cards, right? Now, after I successfully log in, it should show us the added card option just to add the cards inside the same seller, right? Login now. You have successfully logged in. You can now add the card. Simply, it will drag us to the add card options page. Now, let's try to log in some data. Let's see Toyota, and then let's say Corolla, and then let's price 13,500. E is 2011. Mileage, let's say 191, and then location, let's say Caravan. And then there's options for a special offer as well. If I tick that, it will pop in the home page as a special car for my website. Now simply add the car. So car added successfully. Now let's go to the database whether the car has been stored in my database or not. Simply you can see Toyota Corolla 2011. That means like my database is perfectly working. My PHP is working as well. Simply we can see the set as well. Now let's try to search the same car. So as per assessment instructions, there's two options: searching the car by model and searching the car by location. Either of the options would be must work. So if I just like try to search the car just by model, it should work. And then either if I just like try to search the car just by entering the location, it should work. Let's try to search the car by model. That means Corolla. And then let's search, and then it's showing perfect, it's working. And then let's try to search the car by location as well. Let's enter Caraba, and then let's search, and then it's working. So both of the options are working, either searching by model or searching by location. So now after I successfully log in one of the user, there's options for logout as well. But if I forget to log out and keep on adding the cart, it will be added inside the name of the same seller. So now I just wanna log out, and then I'll try to enter try to log in without like valid data. So let's see, Peter Mom, and then password. Let's enter the random number and then login. It won't be login. Invalid username or password. That means like it's perfectly working. And then if I just like try to enter the invalid data as well, it's not working. So if I just like drag your attention to the about us page, it's about our website, our team, our contact number. That's the thing. Deep. So I hope you liked the video. So that's all for the backend part of my website. If you have any queries, just drop down your feedback. I'm more than happy to answer any of your queries. Thank you for today, and thank you for your time.